In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video in Canva. If you've ever felt that a clip in your design is dragging on a little too long, or you just want a snappier, more energetic feel, adjusting the speed is a quick and simple fix. I'll walk you through the exact process, step by step, so you can follow along in your own Canva account. First, open your video design in the Canva editor. This might be a standalone video project, or a design that has video elements, like a social media post or a presentation. Once your design is open, take a look at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the timeline. The timeline shows all of the clips and elements that make up your video in the order they'll play. Next, click on the specific video clip you want to speed up. You can either click it directly on the main canvas in the center of the screen, or you can select it from the timeline below. As soon as the clip is selected, you'll notice that a toolbar appears across the top of the editor. This toolbar contains various options related to the video, such as cropping, trimming, and more. On this top toolbar, look for the option labeled Speed. Go ahead and click on Speed. When you do, a drop-down panel will appear, showing a slider control. This slider is what you'll use to adjust how fast or how slow your video plays. To speed up your video, click and drag the slider towards the right. As you move it, you'll see a speed value change, usually expressed as a number like 1.5x or 2x. The further right you drag, the faster the video will play. Keep in mind that speeding up too much can make the video feel rushed, so make small adjustments and preview as you go. Once you've chosen a speed that you think works, press play on the preview in the editor. Watch the clip all the way through and pay attention not only to how fast it feels, but also to any audio that might be attached. When you speed up a video, the audio will speed up as well, which can change how it sounds. If it feels too fast or not fast enough, simply adjust the slider again and test it one more time. When you're happy with the result, your change is automatically applied to that clip, and you're ready to continue editing or export your finished video.